Good evening. The judge in the trial against 18-year-old Damian Lorelez will stay on the case.
That ruling came down this afternoon. Defense attorneys for Lorelez had filed a motion to have Judge Mark Barnett remove himself from the case based on comments that he made in public that they say were biased against their client. Damian Lorelez was 17 years old at the time when authorities say he slammed an SUV into a Sioux Falls home while going nearly 80 miles an hour, killing two of his passengers. Authorities say Lorelez, who is now 18, was using drugs and alcohol at the time. He's charged with both manslaughter and vehicular homicide. Today in court, his defense lawyers wanted Judge Mark Barnett to remove himself from the case based on statements he made during pretrial motions hearings. They claim Judge Barnett showed bias when he said Damian did not have the best life and that the state had a Loctite case, and he didn't see any way he will not be found guilty, which KELOLAND News reported on back in December. Prosecutors argued that the motion should be denied because there was no bias by the court. Judge Barnett concluded that he has shown no bias or prejudice against the defendant or the state. He says he also made comments that were empathetic to the defendant, that his parents failed him, and he doesn't wish him any ill will. Judge Barnett also said, as a judge, he's required by state law to make pretrial statements on every case. He said, if it ended up on Kelo, that has no bearing. I'm required to do it, end quote. Motion denied. And no trial date has been set.